Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go offline on the EA app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EA application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will need to enter your credentials in order to log into your account. Now, while you log in, you will have the option to check on Appear Offline before you tap on the login button. However, even after logging in, you can still set your profile to appear offline by two different methods. You can click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then you will find the Go Offline menu. You can either click on this and you will go offline right away, or you can also hover over to your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on the drop down menu. You will then find the invisible option. Just tap on the invisible option and now you will immediately appear offline within your EA game account. You can come back to this menu at any time and turn back your presence to online or away if you wish to do so. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to appear offline on the EA app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.